Good morning, children. As I told you, we would be revising degrees of comparison. We'll continue doing the same chapter. I hope you had understood a bit of it, if not all. So let's do it again. And today, no worksheet. I'm not sending any worksheet today because I know what I have sent yesterday was lengthy. So you take your 1 day more and then finish the work. No need to hurry up, as I had told you. 2 days, same worksheet. 2 days, same chapter. So what did we do? How do we compare things? Nouns. Nouns are naming words, and the words used to describe nouns are called adjectives. Nouns are described by the words called adjectives. Now if we have two nouns with us, and we need to find out which is better or which is worse or which is thinner or which is fatter, then we have to compare. We have to see which is more and which is less. Otherwise, what happens if we have only one? There's only one child in the home. I'll say the child is very small. But if there are two children, I'll have to say one is smaller, one is elder. But if there is only one thing, we use a positive degree. If there is only one thing, we use the positive degree. That is the adjective in its actual form. The adjective in its actual form is called positive degree. We use with one noun. But in case we have two nouns, we have two things, then we use the comparative degree. Then we have to make a comparison using comparative degree. What do we do here? Out of two, we find out which is better, which is lesser, which is fatter, which is thinner. Like if there are two brothers at home, one is taller, one is shorter, one is elder, one is younger, one is thinner, one is little fatter. Like this boy is taller than his brother. What are we doing here? We are adding er to the adjective and using then after it. We are using then after it and using er with the adjective. But in case the things are more than two, we have a lot of things to compare from. Then what do? We find out the best, the highest. We call it the superlative degree. We call it the superlative degree or the third degree. Here we add, instead of er, we add est to the adjective, and after that we use of all, in the class. We give a name to remaining things. And what do we do here? Before the superlative degree, there is one word which you can never miss. Always and always use the before the superlative degree. Okay, like he is the best boy. He is the tallest boy. He is the thinnest boy. Always use the before the superlative degree. Add est and the comparison is from many. Now, sometimes we cannot add er or est to the adjectives. That time what happens then? How do we change the degrees? We have to change the word or we have to change the vowel inside. Like for good, something is better or best. For bad, something will be worse or worst. For little, it will be less, and more are there, so we use least. For the word much, two hai to more than two hai to most. Understood now? Today no worksheet. Continue doing your yesterday's work. Tomorrow next class will come up with the next chapter. Okay, bye.